Richard, okay, I got the bear box all organized, and this is the type of bear box I am most impressed with. I've never seen one like that. First of all, it's off the ground. Usually they're real low, perfect for bears to go wander around and sniff. This one's up off the ground, and it's got this handy dandy little staging area here. We could cook right here. So here's what I thought is, we'll cook here, we'll keep all the food here. It's like, this is the bear zone right here. If we keep
That's where all the bears are going to be.
This is where the bears are going to be. They're not going to be at the picnic table. They're not going to be at the tent. This is the bear free zone. So we are
So
going
let me
to be
get this
safe.
right. This is kind of like those deer crossing signs. Is that what you're saying?
Yes. If you put a deer crossing sign up, that's where they're going to cross, right? Or that's where you want them to cross.
Sure.
So I have put
Sure, that's how that works.
Oh, are you done?
Huh?
You're done?
Yeah.
You didn't catch breakfast? All right, today we need to head down into Lander because there is supposed to be this awesome waterfall hike called Popo Agie Waterfall. And we were all psyched and ready to go on it, and we realized that Richard has no tennis shoes. So we're gonna bop down into the town of Lander, Wyoming, see if we can find some tennis shoes for him.
See if there's something open.
Oh yeah, and otherwise he's hiking in his motorcycle boots, which
Ooh.
probably isn't a good idea.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, all right, that's what's happening today.
I don't have any shoes. My hiking boots kind of tore up, and they're bulky, so I wanted to get some tennis shoes. And you'd think when we got to a big town we would have thought about that ahead of time, but we didn't. So we're gonna go to a small town and see if we can find something.
That's true.
That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go down to Lander, Wyoming, and see what kind of shopping they have there.
Might be I don't even know if they have a Walmart there.
I don't even know if they have they have a grocery store, so they must have something.
What did you find out?
Okay, right over here, I think this is where it goes, either in or out. I can't remember. This is called the Sinks. This is the viewing thing up here. And then you walk that way, so many feet that I can't remember. I really suck at getting information right now. And then I think it comes out down here. So
The sinks? Oh,
Yes.
where it sinks, the
We're
water
at the
goes.
sinks.
I understand.
it goes
So
underneath.
okay, I was assuming a sink was like sink basins. But what it is the river sinks
Yes.
and goes underground and pops back up.
Yes.
Got it.
Maybe I should go back in and get more information.
No, that's what it is. I remember this conversation now with some of the locals.
Yeah, the waterfall and the slide is not here. That's up at Bruce's parking lot. Remember that big parking lot that we
Oh,
went by?
okay.
Yeah.
Bruce's parking lot.
Bruce has the
He has a picnic area and a park.
Popo Agie waterfall hike. This is where the water goes underground. It is traveling at over 100 cubic feet per second. It travels a quarter of a mile and then it pops back up again. But it takes over 2 hours for this water to flow that quarter mile because it's not a river that it's flowing like this river above ground. It goes into all these little fissures underground and it's all separated and twisted around and wandering all over, and then it pops back up 2 hours later. So the water you see here is water you won't see for another 2 hours.
See if this works.
So I was just reading,
Look at the size of those fish.
this is supposed to be, so here is where the water came out. Here's where the water comes out, which they call the rise.
Oh, right here.
Wow.
Look at those fish.
Where does it, yeah, it comes
just
out,
Pushes up. It just pushes up.
but
and
it's
down.
so calm. Check out these fish. Are those all trout?
Yeah.
That's why you can't find any fishing anywhere else. They're all here, waiting
Yeah.
for free handouts.
Yeah, see, it's rising up right there.
This is really crazy considering how fast and furious it was falling underground just a quarter mile up there at the what they call the sink, and now here we're down a quarter mile at the rise, and it is calm and peaceful.
Yeah, but look at it. Look at it down the water.
This is really pretty. Can you imagine if you were the first person that came across this? The little placard at Bruce's parking lot that says it's an easy 3-mile hike round trip on Middle Fork Trail to these waterfalls. Well, we're up to 7,600 feet elevation. It's kind of kicking our butt. Whew. Yeah.
We're used to 800-foot elevation.
Yeah, we're coming from 800-foot elevation, so I guess it's a good thing we've been here for a couple days and a little acclimated, but wow, I thought I was in shape, but whew, hiking in high elevation will kind of get you sometimes.
So this is the first time I've seen Chris struggle. Only because she's been wounded for a couple of weeks, not hiking with her broken toe.
Yeah.
Yes.
Out of shape. Behind us,
First picture.
first picture, first view, we made it. Is,
So far.
Yeah, okay, here's how it's pronounced. Okay, so it's Popo Agie Falls, I think. I did ask a local. I even pronounced it several times. And then I took that pronunciation and I filed it into my short-term memory bank.
And it's gone.
And it's gone. So if you hear me call it Popo Agie and it's not, I understand. I know it's not. I just don't remember what it was.
So it's spelled Popo, second word Agie.
Yeah. But
Looks like Popo Agie to me.
but it's
then
not.
again, we're not native.
But I tried. So I'm guessing the life jackets are in case you want to go slide down the rock and swim in the water. Let's see if Richard's game. If you're wondering if Richard and I are going to slide off this rock wall into the water, well, the answer is no. Those kids over there that are all lined up ready to slide down, well, if you take all of their ages, combine them together, they don't even qualify for AARP. I alone qualify for AARP. So, yeah, we're gonna sit here. We're gonna go back and sit here and enjoy watching the younger folks have a good time.
How's the water, babe?
That's refreshing.
Is that the clue for cold?
Yeah, it's really cold at first, but it feels really good now.
Expectations. Reality.
We just spent an absolute fabulous day here at the falls, lounging around, watching the young folks jump off. We're heading back to camp now after spending just about the whole day here, just lounging around these waterfalls. Absolutely stunning.
It's just
Highly-
amazing how far they just keep coming down for
I know.
the whole side of the mountain.
I know.
Careful.
Careful, let that fall in. But the water's really, really cold.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
40. I would say it's 45 maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that cold.
You totally got your coat on and everything.
Well, I didn't, I have a pair of long johns I can put on.
Yeah.
And I got a long sleeve shirt, but I'm like, I might as well just throw a coat on.
I just wanted to show you. It's we got back just in time. We were
kidding.
able to dive into the lake for a quick bath, wash the hair, wash everything, and then get
Well, we didn't wash our hair in the lake. Let's be clear on that.
Oh yeah, no.
We didn't do that. We have our shower bag.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, we got all tidied up.
Yeah. And now
we're working, and
oh.
it's raining outside. So actually, this tent is working out amazing. Look at all the
Yes.
room we've got here. Yeah.
It really is a lot of room.
Yeah. And we still have, out here is the front porch. It's all covered. Let's see, all of our junk
Yep.
is out there. And then back here is the back porch with all of our stuff out there. Nothing is getting wet,
So far,
including us so far.
Yep.
Yeah, so
Very solid, like the Eureka Space Camp.
yes. Well, what we're trying to decide is, because we don't have any cell service, so we're trying to decide how long the rain's going to be and whether it's a cheese and cracker night for dinner or we're going to be able to get out and make something to eat. So,
Cheese crackers
Wish
and
us-
tuna fish. The tuna fish in a package.
yeah, wish us luck. Richard went out to hunt and gather. Let's see what he found. Well, looks like he hunted up a cooler. I bet you missed the broom. Huh.
Yes. Now I don't feel like I'm just dragging dirt in.
I know.
You know what I mean?
I know. All right,
Yes,
so tell me the route. Where are we going?
All right, so we're gonna make it to Alpine, Wyoming, which is right on the border of Idaho, and that we're gonna take it. We're gonna go from here.
Meadows.
Worthen Meadows Campground, great little national forest campground. We're gonna take that to Lander. Lander, we're gonna take 26 to 89 over the mountain to Alpine, instead of going south, and that's 191 to 89 to Alpine. So
But they're both great routes.
they're both great routes. One goes down south around the mountain and then up to Alpine, and the other is going to go over.
All right, come on, we gotta go. Did you think we'd leave you behind? Oh my goodness, no. When you hit pavement up here, let's stop. And since we seem to be hitting all the rocks on the way down,
Yes.
let's stop and do a quick walk around before we head down into head through those awesome switchbacks down into Lander.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You might have hit every rock, but you got everything strapped down good.
That's it.
So is this where we should have, when we flipped a coin, is this where we should have done 2 out of 3?
Yeah, probably, huh?
And taken 191 instead of 26 through Jackson Hole?
Yes, that could have been.
So we're going to miss, since all of the Grand Teton traffic is over there on
Yeah.
that loop, we're
Yeah.
kind of skirting around it. So we're going to miss all of that.
Yeah, all the big traffic.
Yes, yeah, because this is a piece of cake.
This is traffic. This is traffic going to Yellowstone.